Just got out of bed? You on the way to work? How about the gym? Let's get you going with the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute Motivator, the weekend edition, because not everybody works Monday to Friday.
It's another Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute Motivation direct to your good self. How are you? Can we talk? Send a message to 07801 543 515 and look, we can book your free 30-minute slot. You know the address? So ldlcall.com, book your slot. Let's talk. Today's quote: there's nothing stronger than someone rebuilding themselves. You know that moment when you hit rock bottom and you've lost it all? That is the perfect time to start your rebuild. You can come back hungrier, full of fire, and even stronger than you were before.
That was your 1 Minute Motivator. You can find more motivation and inspiration at LearnDevelopLive.com. And we'll see you back tomorrow for more.